Hello guys, this is Sunny from Yontone, and today I'm going to introduce those wash machine parts we have made for our customer, and mainly they are all aluminum die casting wash machine components. So let's do it one by one. This one is the drum spider. And you can see the shaft is made of steel, and it made as an insert during the aluminum die casting. And this is a pulley. This is a drum pulley. And these are the engine pulley. Engine pulley and the drum pulley, they work together. This will drive with a belt. These two will go together. And this one, this small one, is another type. Is another type of engine pulley. And there's a dry plate. A dry plate. There are different types of dry plate, like this one. They also call it the lower plate. And also other parts like this. And this is a gear screw. Small part. And these are door lock. Door lock also have different types, different shapes, and this is the door latch. These two work together. Okay. And, this is a hub, drive hub. The shaft is made of steel, and the base part is by die casting. So these two, they both use the insert and during the die casting. So we put the insert into the die casting mold first, and then we do die casting, so we get these two parts together. And this one is the door hinge, the wash machine door, the hinge. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. And Yontone is a customized supplier for washing machine parts. If you want to customize your die casting washing machine parts, please contact us. And if you have a die casting factory and you need to purchasing only the die casting mold for washing machine parts, and you can also contact us, because we sell mold. Well, we design, manufacture, and sell molds, and we can do parts for customers. So it's quite flexible if you want to purchase the parts or you want to just purchase the mold and make the production in your country. It's very flexible, and if you're interested, please contact us. And our email is sales@yontone.com, and we have you can contact us by WeChat or WhatsApp, and I will leave the message under the video, and hope to see you very soon. Bye bye.